In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an Amex gift card online. If you've recently received an Amex gift card and are eager to start shopping from the comfort of your home, you're in the right place. I'll guide you through each step so you can redeem and manage your gift card with ease. Let's jump right in. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Amazon.com. Amazon is one of the most versatile and popular platforms for using gift cards online. Once you're on the home page, you're ready to get started with using your Amex gift card. Next, look towards the top of the Amazon homepage. You'll see a variety of menu options, but for the purpose of using your gift card, go ahead and click on Gift Cards. This section is specifically designed to help you manage and purchase gift cards, and it's your gateway to redeeming your Amex gift cards. Once you're in the gift card section, you'll notice the option to redeem a gift card. Click on it. Redeeming your gift card is a straightforward process, but it's important to ensure you do it correctly to start using the funds. You'll need to enter your gift card details precisely as instructed, so have your card handy. The gift card number and PIN, typically found on the back of the card, will be required here. After you've successfully redeemed your card, you might want to view your balance. Knowing your available balance is crucial, not just to keep track of your spending, but also to manage your budget effectively. Look for the option that says View Your Balance. Here, the total amount available on your gift card will be displayed. This balance can now be used for any purchases you wish to make. But what if your balance runs low or you've completely spent it? No worries, because you have the option to reload your gift card. This functionality is particularly useful if you plan on making frequent purchases and prefer the convenience of using a gift card. By clicking on the option to reload, you can add more funds to your card, keeping your shopping experience seamless and uninterrupted. And there you have it. That's a comprehensive guide on how to use an Amex gift card online on Amazon. Whether you're redeeming, checking your balance, or reloading your card, these steps will help you navigate through your options effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this guide. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos just like this one. Happy shopping!